Doctors at Inova Fairfax Hospital have a new way to provide state-of-the-art care for orthopedic patients, thanks to a new biomechanics lab, the only one of its kind in Northern Virginia. Dr. Jiwei Li, director of the lab, conducts a variety of biomechanic research at Inova. Dr. Li's work benefits patients with a broad array of bone-related conditions, such as traumatic bone and sports injuries, in addition to patients with bone cancer or chronic back pain, joint replacement patients, and pediatric patients with orthopedic injuries. Much of the work focuses in two areas. The first is the use of this machine called an MTS. The MTS tests the strength of bones and the implants that are attached to or put inside the bone to assist in healing or movement. The MTS machine can simulate the stress and impact of motion imposed on each bone and measure the biomechanical properties of the bone and the implant, such as strength, wear, and longevity. These measurements can help doctors choose the right implant for different patients and can assist in the development of future implants. The OrthoBiomechanics lab team is currently working on examining the quality of fixation between a proximal femoral or hip locking plate and an intramedullary nail device, where a rod is placed inside the bone for hip fractures or proximal femoral fractures. A second exciting feature of the lab is the ability to perform virtual surgery. Dr. Li uses sophisticated technology to create a 3D computer model of damaged bones based on a patient's CAT scan or MRI. Using computer simulation, Dr. Li can install various virtual implants into the damaged site. The performance of each implant can be evaluated under different conditions, helping surgeons make the best choices for procedure technique and implant type prior to a patient's actual surgery.
With this computer technology, patients can undergo virtual surgery using the computer prior to undergoing actual surgery, and this technique will hopefully provide the best possible outcome for their particular condition.
Dr. Tice has been working to make this lab a reality for more than 2 years as part of future plans to develop an orthopedic residency program at Inova.
It will stimulate many individuals who previously did not participate in research to start doing so, and it will hopefully result in an application for an orthopedic residency program.
Residents can come to the lab and practice surgery using specialized arthroscopy equipment used to treat such injuries as an ACL tear of the knee or a rotator cuff tear in the shoulder. This will help residents to become better surgeons. If you're interested in finding a physician who specializes in orthopedics at Inova, please call 703-750-8800.